figment of their
Yung
imagination.
pakikipag-usap sa isang kasama namin, let's say member ng majority, kinakausap ng minority, o yung minority kinakausap ng majority. Normal yun. In any parliament, normal yun. No? Pero yung para sabihin na
Walang pananakot.
hindi ka
Walang
namin
presyo.
makukulong. We don't have that power. We have no power over the ombudsman. What happened is the rule of law. What can we do?
Sir, are you also appealing to the majority na lumipat sa inyo?
Yes.
Sa minority?
Why not?
Sino-sino po kaya?
Lahat sila.
Meron na po ba sa kanila na
We're appealing to
Para lang si Alan Peter. Lahat, ibita namin, sumalip kayo sa amin. Pero si Alan Peter, steady ka lang dyan.
meron na po ba sa majority?
We appeal to the rest of the members of the majority bloc. Huwag na si Senate President kasi we appeal to their sense of duty, of their responsibility. Kasi mukhang untenable na si SP kasi siya yung nagsasabi sa mga kasama namin na huwag mag-attend ng session. So we now appeal to the rest of the members of the majority bloc. We appeal to their sense of duty na sana mag-attend sila ng session bukas.